Okay guys, I need to talk to you about the yacht interior because it has not gone the way I thought it would. So today I'm going to show you exactly where we are, where I thought we were, what went sideways, and the part I'm really excited about, the full yacht reveal. Stick with me guys, because the reveal is coming very soon. For anyone just joining, a stranger gifted my husband a 90s yacht that had basically been frozen in time. I do appreciate and love the nostalgia of years past. The striped banquette had to go. And we decided to completely renovate the interior from scratch. Well, kinda. We've already done the banquette seating, the carpet. You've seen some of that. But there were a few things I did not see coming. This is where I'm struggling, guys. If you're gonna renovate or reimagine something, why do something here and there? Why not do the whole thing, you know, like the kit and caboodle? All I have to do is be patient. And I'm also wondering if the carpet's too pale, is it going to get completely screwed and dirty? You know what I mean? Should I have spent the $2,000 and gotten the wood look laminate or vinyl flooring as opposed to going with the carpet? See, all these things I'm concerned about because it's like giving me anxiety just thinking people are going to dirty up the whole carpet before we even have a chance to take the boat on the water. My second concern is, guys, what about the table and the countertops? Are they just giving like super passé and old? The fact that it still has the burgundy and the laminate, you know, I just don't want to have any regrets. I do want to mention though, you guys would be proud of us because we had the boat completely pulled out of the water. The bottom, the hull, we had it scraped and all the clams and mussels removed and then repainted. So I don't really have any after footage, but I'm sure it looks 100% better on the bottom. We also picked out some new drapery, so it will no longer be pink. There were a couple of days where I just looked at this boat and I'm like, did we take on too much? Because we're newbies here. My husband and I have never owned a boat before. But then I'd see the carpet, the seating, and I'd remember exactly why we're doing this. I love design, I love interiors, and I love an adventure. Oh! And I love a challenge. Another thing I forgot to mention is the steering column. We're replacing the leather wrap on it. And part of me was like, will this make a big difference? Will it get dirty? Is it worth it? You know what I'm saying? But I think it'll be fine. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I thought it was called a steering console, but it's actually called the helm. So we are replacing the material in the helm with the same material that we made the banquette seating out of. And this is one of those details that nobody might notice, but I will notice, and that matters. So that's where we are, guys. We are so close. I'm talking about days, not weeks. The full interior reveal video is going to be everything, and I want to show you every single detail. Also, let me know in the comments if you can tell this is a pale, cool gray and not a white, because it's really not white. So make sure you're subscribed. That video is coming very soon. And I want to know in the comments, what part are you most excited to see? The drapery, the seating, the whole thing coming together? And also, let me know what you would have done if you were gifted this amazing little entry-level yacht straight out of the 90s. Steve is here. Come say Happy Father's Day.
Come on, let's go.
I'm wearing vanilla powder. This is such a hit. I get so many compliments on this. It's kind of pricey, but I did the girl math. $10 a month. Yeah. So easy to put together. They have chrome. I picked chrome because it goes with the little aesthetic in my bathroom. But they have black, they have brushed gold. You just screw it on at the base. So easy. Base is nice and chrome. Yes, I love it.